Hey, so if screen recording isn't working in ShareX, yeah, that can be really annoying, especially when you need to record something quickly. Maybe it won't start, crashes, or saves nothing. In this guide, I'll walk you through step-by-step fixes to get it working again. First, make sure FFmpeg is installed. ShareX depends on it for screen recording, and if it's missing or broken, recording won't work. Next, go into Task Settings and check your screen recording options, like video source, format, and encoder. Try running ShareX as administrator. Sometimes permissions, can block recording features. Other apps like OBS, screen overlays, or GPU tools can interfere. Close any background apps that might be using screen capture. If recording still fails, update your graphics drivers. Outdated drivers can cause recording errors or black screens. Switch between recording modes, like region or full screen, to see if one works better. Restart ShareX or your system to clear temporary bugs. If nothing works, reinstall ShareX and reinstall FFmpeg. This fixes most deep issues. So that's how to fix ShareX screen recording not working. One of these steps should get it running smoothly again. If this helped, subscribe for more simple tech fixes.